Hey crypto fam, welcome back to our channel where we post crypto and other videos just like this, and the channel name is App Tutorial. And in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can change your currency in Binance. So for those people who do not know currency, basically right now on my screen, as you guys can see, all the crypto over here and it's showing its actual price is showing me in USDT, or in another word US dollars, because my currency is in USD, which means US dollars value. That's why it's showing everything over here in US value. All right, so if I want to change it into Russian or in other pound, I can easily do that. All right, now the screen which you're looking at is Binance.com, which is the world's top crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since a lot of people use it, it's the world's top crypto exchange and it's pretty secure. And if you guys want to create an account into Binance, then we have a link for you. There's a link in the description. If you use that to sign up into Binance, you guys can get a free $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. For all those new viewers out there, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment and let's get into the video. Now to change your currency, it's pretty simple. Just go to Binance.com, log in into your account, and at the top right corner in my screen it shows USD, but in your screen it might show you the currency which you chose or which was selected to you by default. Just click on it and it's going to show you all this currency. You can choose whichever currency you want. Let's say I'm going to choose AUD, Australian dollar. Basically, it's going to show me the value in Australian dollar. As you guys can see, there's an A in front of every dollar sign in my screen over here. That's basically how you guys can change your currency. Let me get it back to default, which is US dollar, USD also known as, and it's back to USD. It's that simple. Just remember that when you change your currency, the value which is shown in your screen is going to change as well, because every currency of every world doesn't have the same value. All right. Hope you guys were able to understand, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for videos like this. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then. Have a nice day and peace.